Are you running ads on Facebook and finding it's difficult to write Facebook ad copy? You might be unsure about what should be included in it. So today I will share 5 things that will help you to write an excellent ad copy. Number 1. Attention grabber. Your ad copy should start with an attention grabbing headline or sentences that make people pause as soon as they read it. Number 2. How to fix customer problems. In the second part of your ad copy, explain how the product or service you are selling can solve someone's problem. Number 3. Why they need your product or your service. And in the third part of your copy, give people a reason why they need your product or service. Number 4. Hook. Within the hook, tell your customer that your product or service is exclusively designed for them, not for anyone else. Number 5. A special offer with CTA. Lastly, include a special offer with a call to action button, such as limited edition, buy now, 40% off, shop with this link, etc. And follow for more tips. Thank you.